I quit internet sales. Here's a car sales training video that's explaining why I quit internet sales. So it all starts back when I used to sell cars. I got into selling cars around 21 and I did great. I was on the floor and I sold a bunch of cars, 24 and a half cars my first month. Didn't even know how to sell cars, didn't know nothing about the product, nothing like that. How did I do it? I talked to a bunch of people and I was on the floor. After a while, I got really burnt out. And all my buddies were consistently selling a lot of cars, some even more than me. I know one of my buddies sold 52 cars out of the internet department. He was like a 23-year-old kid. He was making like 30 grand a month. This was at a Nissan dealership. He like broke the record of the store by like 10 cars, and nobody was really doing numbers like that out of the internet department. So I went to the internet department and I found out it was a complete life hack. Not only was I selling more cars, and, just taking leads, and these leads were gold, and then phone ups. And then not only that, but my day was so structured. I had appointments. I could go to lunch, show up for my appointment, close the deal. I was sitting in a chair a lot of the day, right? So by the time I got off of work, not only was I sold a couple cars that day, but I also, I had tons of energy because I wasn't just standing around. I wasn't around people just standing around on the floor sales, people talking to me all day and burning me out, right? So I only really work deals. The only time I talk to people was, if I'm selling a car, and other than that, I wasn't talking to anybody and I was sitting in a chair. So I really got sold completely on internet. You guys might have seen that on my channel. Well, just recently I quit internet sales. I gave it 7 months, and selling 20 cars or 22 cars or 17 cars, it was like a grind, man. It was tough. And I realized that some stores are not, internet's not where it's at. And that's one of the stores I was at. Not that it's not good here. I was making great money, 15 to 20 grand some months. But the floor, I went out on the floor, and my first 3 days I sold 6 cars. And I was like, wow, I just wasted 7 months in the internet department. This is cake. So these people walking in, I was just getting more opportunities and more opportunities in person with a good closer, which I consider myself, that's it. That's all she wrote. Right. So, much easier on the floor here. I did get out of internet sales, and I think that, the floor's been good, man. There's a lot of gross. There's people who are just walking in. They're just looking for a certain car maybe, or some people just want you to find them something, and you can put them on a car with a lot of gross. So knowing your inventory is very important. Also, I'm hustling, so I'm going to show you this. I grabbed it from my desk. I'll cover up the last name. I already did the number, but this is on my desk. If you're wondering what this was, Frank, somebody's last name. I cut off the phone number, used car. Where did this come from? I hope nobody's watching this at my dealership, but that came from a desk girl. So first thing I do is I incentivized all the desk girls. I gave them $100, and I said, hey, anybody you send me, I'll give you $100 cash that day if they buy a car. This person, Frank, boom, he's coming in to buy a car for him and his son tonight. That'll be $200 cash for her. That's an extra 2 deals for me. And they run I was in the middle of a meeting. She walks through people, taps me on the shoulder, hands me that, and then walks back to the desk. So while we're having the meeting, nobody could answer the phones. She got the phone up, boom, she gave me the lead. So little things like this is going to help you guys. The floor is going to be awesome. Do I miss leads? Yeah, but they were just coming in slow, a lot of out of state, and I got bills to pay. I don't got time. So I had to pivot going to the floor. That being said, also I'm using the Facebook Marketplace AI tool. It takes all your vehicles from Auto Trader or wherever your dealership posts those cars. You just put the extension right there on your computer, and then you can post all these cars with under 60 seconds each car. You can post them on your Facebook Marketplace, right? So a lot of you guys have signed up. You guys are loving it. Nobody unsubscribes. You guys are making tons of money. So I'm happy for everybody who did sign up. If you haven't signed up yet, down below, I'm going to put the link. It's $129 a month, $129 a month. It was $229 when I started using it, okay? So it dropped down for my subscribers. I talked to the owner of the company, knocked $100 off, and you're gonna sell an extra 5 to 8 cars every single month if you use this. If you're like actively using it, right? So it's you don't even have to be that active. You hook it up to your computer and it takes all your cars from Auto Trader and you click post and it goes, I have a video. I'll clip the video coming up in a second, but it'll post all those cars. It's gonna write a description. It does all that stuff for you. Go check that out, sign up for it, and maybe this could be your first investment in yourself, but this is something that's really going to take you to the next level. All I do is check Facebook, and then I have all these different leads that come in for all my pre-owned cars. So all my pre-owned cars go straight onto my marketplace. It takes me about a couple minutes every morning. I add any new cars that the dealership got in, and I drop them in the groups, you know, the groups that involve cars in this area. I'm going to show you a clip of me using it, and links below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys want to see. Calling our car salesman. This is Auto Trader up here. I am going to post this, not even have to do anything. Look, I just click post on Auto Trader. Boom. Now it's on Auto Trader. It's going to post everything on my Facebook. So I'm not touching anything. Just sitting here eating some grapes. There's Facebook. Now AI is posting everything on here. Click the link below and you guys are gonna be able to download it. It's only $129 a month, and it does everything for you. Watch, it's gonna populate all the pictures too. You can post every car on your dealership, at your dealership on Facebook in like an hour. So boom, I'll click next down here. So it even wrote a description. Then I follow all these big groups. So then you follow public groups in your area about cars. You click all those groups here, boom. Then right here, just click publish. And then it's gonna publish as long as your Facebook is signed into. It's gonna publish everything, and it even has your area and everything because you type in your dealership when you sign up, so it knows where you're located. So publish, and then you're gonna see I've listed quite a few today. But yep, boom.